Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. I'm here to talk about the currencies. We've been talking about this for quite some time now. Every week we talk about the dollar index. It's starting to see fruition. The dollar index is moving higher now. We're seeing through the 85 handle, 4-year highs, breaking out to the upside. We're also seeing the devalue of the euro. And we're seeing this implementation happen as we're easing off of QE here in the US. And we're getting closer and closer to implementing, the ECB is getting closer and closer to implementing some type of QE, which is going to be very similar to ABS, which is very similar to what's been going on in Japan. And if you look at Japan, we could look at history repeating itself in some fashion. We could look at the devaluation of the yen. And if that's the same similarities and same variables that we're going to see in the euro, my outlook is that there's a high probability that we could see the euro being at par with the dollar by next year, mid next year, especially on the trend that it's in right now. Obviously, there's going to be some volatility in the midterm, but we have a big data point coming out tomorrow morning, GDP, and we're expecting actually a high GDP percentage, especially compared to the last GDP number that came out. So this will actually, if the number comes out in line, we'll ease off. We'll have confirmation that the Fed can stop QE, and I don't think it's necessary that rates will rise at the Fed's hand. What I think will happen is rates will slowly but surely rise because more and more people will get out of bond purchases, and the Fed will no longer be in the bond purchase program. So you'll start to see other markets flourish, and that will be a boon for the dollar. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.